I don't wanna brag, yeah. I just chase the bag, yeah. What's up, YouTube? It's Spumatic back at it with another video. The PTR got some music now. It got bangs now. So come check it out. I got the interior Serwin Vega speakers. So I got six and a halves in the door. I got 6.5 in the door. Stock is 6 and 3/4. But the got the 6.5 in the door, and the rears I have 6x9s. So I got 6. So that was hard. This whole plastic piece had to come out. So you gotta take out the seat belts, and front seat belt and the rear seat belt. The seats have to come up. This whole plastic piece has to come up. All of this. So that took some time. I'm not gonna lie. I tried to record a little bit of it, but it was basically fighting, you know. I was just basically fighting. So I didn't really post it up because it wasn't like an instructional video. But I'll post some clips from. I did the inside speakers. Then after that, I had an old head unit, and it has Bluetooth on there, and you could connect your iPhone. So it sounds pretty good. I think it sends out 50 watts to each speaker, and it had the sub outputs. So I did that. It sounded great, and I was like, you know what? It has all the nice highs. You can hear everything clear, but it just needs a little bit more bang. So I found a system from a subscriber. Shout out to Robert. Thank you for the system. I'm enjoying it, and it's playing good. So I have a JBL amp, a 600 watt amp, and I'm gonna let you guys guess. So I'm gonna play this, and let me know what kind of sub you think I have in the back. So this is music from my brother. Ace Alexander, on Spotify, on Apple Music. You could find him. His information is in my description below. Ace Alexander. So this is one of my, I like this one from him. It's called Timeline. So I don't. On the timeline, girl, you so bad, I can find time. Shawty blowing up my bad line. I was just chillin', tryna mind mine. I ain't tryna bag, yeah. I just chase the bag, yeah. I don't wanna brag, yeah. I just chase the bag, yeah. Shawty asked me what my name is. It's so good, I think she should be famous. I pull up to the VIP, I barely made it. I'm geeked up, only high grades, bitch. Shawty like my pics, yeah, she on my dick. Pull up with the stick, yeah, she super thick. And then check my watch, bitch, I'm on the clock. And then check my watch, bitch, it never stop. I be on the IG shopping. So that was one of his songs. And I think it sounds pretty good. So I'm gonna show you what I got back there. Let's try another one.
I wanna hit up, feeling like Tony Montana. Straight to the bank, straight to the bank, straight to the bank. Straight to the bank, straight to the bank, straight to the bank. Yeah, I like that. Think the tell her kinda psychic. She just gave me how the fuck that bitch know what I already want. Big stacks of paper, kinda looking like a Lego. It's all
guys guess? That's all from a 10-inch kicker. With a slim butt. Sound good to me. So those were the latest mods I did to the PTR, which is my turbo PT cruiser that comes with the SRT4 motor. Currently it has the Diablo tune, iTune, Intune 3 with the 93 octane tune, made a complete difference, and with a short ram intake from BCP. It's gonna get the downpipe. I'm going to JamLab to get the downpipe soon, so stay tuned for that. And I'm gonna race a few cars, so we're gonna see how it goes. So just a short little update, little old head unit, and the car is clean. It's a little fun car, you know. I'm PT gang all the way, PT Cruiser gang, you know. But nice little speaker. I believe this one is this is a compact C. It's about 500 max watts, okay? And I want to say I don't know the RMS on it. It could be 300 or 250 or something like that, but it's in a slim box. And it has a port on the side. You can really feel it pushing the air too. Normally I keep it down, so I just had it up for the show, but I like the way it sounds down. To me, it sounds better like that. Yeah. So it was some work, but you know, it was some work, but I was interested in doing it. Comment below. Let me know what you guys think about the little kicker compact C and the JBL amp. It's an A600 JBL, so they're real small. I'm gonna show you that one. Don't judge my wiring skills. I'm not a professional, so you're gonna see some wires. But as you can see, I got them tucked pretty good, but not professional. So let's keep that in mind. So here's the amp right here. It's a JBL. It's small. It's about the size of a book or something like that. Maybe an 1.25 inches thick.
Maybe it's you, maybe it's me, maybe it's you, maybe it's us, maybe it's love, maybe it's trust, maybe it's the times, cause it's tough, maybe it's the quarantine, I don't even know what the fuck it is, tell your friends just to mind their business, they boyfriend, they quite like me, all black coupe and the shit look gothic, and I'm planning on how much that you spend on the optics today, cause I'm trying to hit me.
Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Spumatic Carz, July 18th. I'm gonna be doing the roll racing at Poconos Raceway in Pennsylvania. So I'm gonna do a good video on that. So keep posted. The GTR is currently at JamLab, and we're gonna throw it on the rollers tomorrow. If everything goes right, we'll have it on the rollers, and you know I'm gonna do that dyno video. You know I'm gonna do it. So we're going for that. We're going well over four-digit number. I don't want to spill the beans, but I spilled them, so what? So we're gonna do the roll race, and yeah, stay tuned for more car content. Thanks for watching.